The teachers explained what 3D printing is and how the machine works and how you create it, and then the machine takes it and makes it into layers. I used Tinkercad, and I like that it has like some pre-made shapes, and it made it a lot easier for me because it was challenging to create shapes. I'm most proud of my statue because in that I worked and made shapes, made a removable platform that spins around. I made goggles for the minion, and all that I made myself with different shapes.
In the beginning, we walked in and then we did a tutorial. That was really fun. After that, we created our pet monster. We painted it. That was even funner because I like painting a lot. It was quite of a challenge, but at the end of the day, it was good. The most surprising thing I learned was probably how to cut things off and figure out all the sizing so it would stand on its own. So like it would hold something or take off something.
The workshops that I went through to learn how to 3D print, I think it was challenging, but I feel like I did learn something new, and I like learning new skills because I think that's really nice to learn about, so you don't stay like with one hobby and you express yourself more. This is my first time. I think it was a really nice experience. The most interesting thing I learned about 3D printing was definitely like how you manage to do it, and like the different shapes, and like how like you have to put them together to make like one thing. It was really hard to understand how to do it because I need to like see like all the details around one thing and put it, the same copy of it, into a computer, and I think that was also really challenging. Normally you would paint on a canvas, and now you're expressing yourself and doing something that you could actually keep and hold and like feel, so it doesn't just like lay there. You can actually like use it in a way.
The workshop was great and we learned a lot of things. I learned how to build on the computer, design the monsters, nameplates. I was inspired by cause. I love the build of the like faces, body shape.
My favorite part of the workshop is when we created our name plate and our monster and our whole figurine. The monster, I just thought of it. I did not really know what I was doing. It's good but challenging at the same time. Like a few are challenges, a few are actually pretty easy. Overall, I felt like it's really good.